New shift boots. Well, got the shift boot and the emergency brake. So we have the before. See, seen better days, and this is gonna be the after. So got my new shift boots. First, I started taking out the staples out of the old. I'll need this. Start taking out the staples. I have 3 more left. I went ahead and took all the staples out because you'll need this for the new shift boot, and you can either, replace it with those staples or you can glue it on. I'll try with the staples first, but if not, I'll glue it on. And then with the emergency brake boot, there's a, I don't know if you can kind of see it, but there's a wire or kind of metal that I'm going to need. Got my seam ripper to take this metal bar out, as you'll need it so it can hook onto these clips. So we went ahead and I got it out. See the old versus the new. Now you see this one, it had like extra and it was around. Now I'm trying to see how I can possibly fit this into it so it can go ahead and stay. So the lovely sun has set in on us, but I went ahead and you can see the outline right here of that metal bar. Go ahead and place it in. I need 2 hands for this. So go ahead and attach this in a console. Insert 2 tabs. There's also tabs down here. I don't know if you can kind of see right there. On the other side as well. I'm gonna make sure those are all in. And then go ahead and had to do it off camera because I knew the 2 hands, but you get it past this is a certain point, but you get it past there, and we just test out the fitment. And next we have the shift boot. So it took a little it's gonna be a little more tighter to get on, just because the leather, this new leather is a little more thicker than the old leather that was there. But go ahead and screw off shift knob, and you just line everything up. Then the thing just goes back in place. You needed 2 hands. And go ahead and get it over the white piece, and then screw it back on until it's tight, and here we go. There you go. We have a new emergency brake as well as the shift boot. I did the perforated leather with the red stitching. I'll put a link in the description of the website that I got it from. The before, as you can see, I really need a new shift boot. Had seen better days. The emergency brake, that wasn't as bad, but you see it was starting to tear. So, like I said, I went ahead and got the perforated leather instead of the regular one. You know, I just wanted to jazz it up a little more. The black perforated leather with the red stitching. Here's a better look. I know it was kind of dark when I finished it, but here it is in the light. Well, the daylight. And I have the old ones just to compare.